Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Uh, ha- have you understood the yesterday's problem? Yesterday, this problem I have solved.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If anybody is having any doubts, just ask me. No only. Okay. If you have got any doubt, anybody is having, just 1 second. I will repeat if you want. Now you note down this problem. Solve this problem. Draw the phasor diagram showing the following voltages. V1 is equal to 100 500t sine 500t. V2 is equal to 200 sine 500t plus pi by 3. V3 is equal to minus 50 cos 500t. V4 is equal to 150 sine 500t minus 5 by 4. Okay, find the RMS value of resultant voltage. Okay, have you noted down? Have you noted down the problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the first step to solve this one?
Yes, sir.
What to do now? See, first of all, you can see here V1. V1 is equal to, this is instantaneous value V1, 100 sine phi t. This is standard format. Okay, any AC quantity, it should be always represented in terms of sine. V1 is in standard format. V2 is also standard format. 200 sine omega t plus phi. Okay, plus pi by 3 is there here. That is also standard format. And V3 is also in standard, it is not in standard format. Can you see V3?
Yes,
V3,
sir.
V3 is minus 50 cos 500t. Okay, this you have to convert into standard format. V4 is in standard format. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this you have to convert. Okay, 50 minus 500t is there. This one you have to convert in terms of sine. Minus cos omega t is equal to what?
Cos of
Minus,
omega t
Cos of omega t plus or minus 180.
minus 180 degree.
that you have to convert. That you have to convert this V3 using that formula. Okay. Yesterday I have discussed these formulas. You can see here. This is the formula. Okay. This is minus cos omega t is equal to cos omega t plus or minus 180, or you can use this one. Minus cos omega t is equal to sine of omega t minus 90. You can use this one or this one, any one. minus cos omega t is equal to sine of omega t minus 90. What you get here, V3?
50 sine of 500t minus pi by 2.
50 hundredths cosine of 500t plus pi by 2. Okay, correct. Okay.
Sir, minus pi by 2, right?
Minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2. Okay, minus pi by 2.
Okay,
Here,
sir.
you can see it, minus pi by 2, V3. Because minus cos omega t is equal to sine of omega t minus pi by 2 is there. So this is V3. V1 is a standard form. Okay. This is in standard form. This is in standard form. Now this you have converted in standard form using this formula. Okay. Sine of 500t. Here minus is there. Minus cos omega t is equal to sine of minus 90. 90 is pi by 2. Then V4 already it is in standard form. Okay. Now, next step, what you have to do? You have to draw the phasor diagram. Draw xy coordinate like this. Okay. So this is x. This is the reference. This is y. This is y dash. Okay. This is y dash. This is x dash. Now, first what we have to do? First one, which vector we have to draw? Anybody? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, first V1 you have to draw. This is 100 sine omega t standard form. 100 sine omega t. There is no phase difference, nothing. This waveform, it is starting like this. So you have to draw this V1 here. This is V1. There is no phase difference here. Okay. So first one you have to draw V1. Then next one you have to draw V2. V2, how I should draw? This is 200. This is the VM1. Okay, this gives the maximum 100. Whatever it is there from here to here, it is 100. Okay, that is V1. Then V2. V2 is 200. 60 degree. Where I have to draw?
First coordinate.
First. This is first quadrant. Okay, as per you,
First
this is
quadrant,
first quadrant because our angle of rotation is like this. We are moving in this direction. Okay. Now you can see pi by 3 is plus, means already it is leading, already ahead. Plus pi by 3, the waveform is already 60 degree ahead. That's why this 60 degree you have to draw here. Okay, this is 60 degree. This vector is V2. Next V3,
90 degree.
90 degree,
90
what
degree.
it is minus. 90 degree minus means I have to come in this rotation, in this direction. Minus means in the opposite direction. Okay, and this will be the V3. This is the V3. Okay, then
So
minus
minus 45
45
left hand side.
here on. No,
Left
minus
hand side.
45. If from here to here it is 90. This is minus 45. Okay,
Yes, sir.
quadrant 4. This is V4. This is V4. Okay. This is V4. Okay. Now, what is the next step? Next step, you have to resolve in
So summation of
horizontal component and vertical component. You have to
vertical
add all
component.
those things. Okay. You find out summation of what is the V1. This one summation first component summation of x horizontal component V1. V1 of horizontal component is what?
Cos 0.
Is equal to 100 cos
0.
0. 0. Yeah,
0.
correct. 100 cos 0. It is 100 only. Next V2.
200 cos
Yeah,
60.
100 cos 60. Yeah. V3.
V3 cos pi by 2
V3 is cos
into 0. Pi
cos
by 2.
pi by 2. Okay. V4.
V4 cos pi by 4.
Pi by 4. Okay. Okay. You add all those things. Roll number 17 is there.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell regarding vertical components?
V1 sin theta.
V1 sine theta. Okay. How much it is? Theta
100.
100. No, 100 sine theta is how much there? Here angle omega. No, first one V1 angle is 0, na? Omega t plus 0. Angle is 0, na?
Yes, sir.
This omega t. Okay, it is not leading lagging. Its angle is 0. So 100 sine 0. Is it okay? 100 sine 0. Then what about V2? What about V2? V2 is this. V2 is this. Its vertical component. This is Y. X dash X. Tell. So it's vertical component. V2 sine 60 degree. Here V2 cos 60 degree. Horizontal, if you move like this, you get horizontal component. V2 cos 60 degree. If you want vertical component, it's the V2 sine 60. Have you understood? Okay. V2 sine 60. What about V3? V3 is this. Angle is 90, sine 90. Okay. 50 sine 90. 50 sine 90.
So minus na sir.
See, while substituting angle, we are only substituting angle, not minus this one. Okay. What is the angle between V2 and the reference axis? That is important. It is minus and all, it will not there. While drawing phasor diagram, we have considered the sign. Okay. So this we have drawn V2 upward we have drawn considering the plus sign there. This we have drawn considering the minus sign. This we have drawn considering minus sign. Already that sign is considered. Now, while calculating this one, vertical components and horizontal components, you should take only angle. By what angle they have separated.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Now
V4, sir, V4, 150T or 500T?
Yeah, I'll check up for any mistakes.
Yes, sir.
150.
In question it is no, sir. 500T.
That I will check. This is 500T. Okay, sorry, this is by mistake. V4 is 500. Okay, this one this is 500. That cannot be changed. It is standard for 500. Okay. Now V4 is here. Okay, what about V4? If you solve into vertical component, tell me V4. Roll number 17. Tell.
V4 sine.
It is not audible. Tell. Once again, you repeat.
V4 sine pi by 4.
V4 sine. V4 is this is 150 sine pi by 4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
150.
Yes, sir.
150.
150 sine 45.
45. Sine 45. Okay. Now we can see here. Just check up. This summation of x is equal to V1 cos 0. This is cos 0. This is plus 60. This is minus 90. Okay. So angle is 90 here. This is 45 here. Okay. Now only we have considered positive angles. Cos pi by 2, cos pi by 4. So summation sigma x is equal to this one. Okay. Then while resolving, see.
Sir,
that
150 only taken, right?
Yeah, here 150. This is 500T.
Yes, sir.
This is 500T. Okay. Now you can see here V3 and E4. If you resolve into vertical component, that one, it will come down here. This is negative axis, y axis negative. Can you see here? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then whatever quantity V4 and V3, that you have to take minus. Here, whatever resolved you into x axis, all are coming in this side. X positive axis. This is x positive axis. Okay. That's why we have taken positive here. All are positive here. Now you can see here V3 and V4. V3 and V4 minus. See this V3 and V4, they are resolved into vertical component. They fall on minus y-axis. So that's why it is minus. V2 is plus. See, V2 is this. So if you resolve here, it will fall on the y-axis, plus y-axis. That's why it is plus. Okay. First one, there is no question. It is a 0, V1 sin 0. Then it comes out to be summation is equal to 17.15 volt. Okay. Now we have taken all these maximum quantities. Maximum value of resultant voltage is summation of x whole square, this and square root if you get this one. In the problem, what he has asked? RMS value of resultant voltage. Okay. RMS is equal to maximum by root 2. Whatever we have calculated, this is the maximum. Divided by 2, you will get RMS value 216.75. Okay, in the problem he has not asked the what final expression. Resultant voltage final
Voltage, sir.
resultant voltage final expression he has not asked. Can you calculate that one? See how to calculate angle you have to find out.
Yes, sir. Tan inverse of summation of y by summation of.
What's of x? That you have to find out. Find out what is the angle. 17.1 tan inverse of 17.15 divided by 306.7.
Sir, 3.207.
Is it plus na? Plus na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what it indicates plus pi r is that angle is 3.57. What it indicates? What it indicates?
It is leading.
Leading by an angle 3 degree. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
So it will not start at 0 here. Okay, it will start earlier at 3 degree. This is 3 degree. Okay. It will start earlier, little bit earlier, 3 degree, like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now solve this problem. All of you should try. I will ask the answers. Roll number 8.
Yes, sir.
Uh, how to start with this problem? What we have to do here?
We have to draw phasor.
First step, what we have to do here?
First, we have to draw V1 as in the first. Sir, XY axis.
No. See, in the all, whether all the voltages are in standard format.
No, sir. V3 is in.
V3 is not there. Have you converted that one?
No, sir. Converting 20. Sir, 20 sine of 440 t plus pi by 2.
Okay. Okay.
Huh.
This one you have to convert with it is not in standard format.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next step, what you have to do, you have to draw the phasors.
Yes, sir.
Okay. V3, 20 cos 440, you are converted into 20 sine 440 plus pi by 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then V1, where it will come?
On x-axis, V1 is equal
Yeah, yes. V2,
V2 downwards,
down.
opposite,
Yeah, 45.
45 degree,
Okay.
and V3
Uh,
90 degree to
Above.
above.
above y-axis plus y-axis.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Next, we have to do summation of fx,
Okay.
that is 19.99,
19.99, it almost comes out to be 20.
20, and then summation of fy,
Uh,
it comes to be also 10, sir.
10. Okay.
Then we have to do resultant, that is Vr is equal to root of summation of fx whole square plus summation of fy whole square.
Uh,
It is now I calculating, sir. Wait.
okay.
The resultant is 22.36
Yeah. 22
and
point.
alpha is equal to 26.56.
Yeah. 26.56. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This, if you convert into radian, degree into radian, you will get this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now expression is this. Resultant is 22.36 sine 440. Okay. Plus 0.146. The degree into radian, what you have to do? That theta, you have to divide it by 180.
Yes,
Okay, pi into theta. Like this.
sir.
Pi into 130. This you have to convert. Now, this is in radians. Okay. Now, omega is equal to 2 pi f. Omega
Yes,
is
sir.
2 pi f. That is omega t here. Okay. Omega 2 pi f is equal to 440. F is equal to 70 hertz. F is equal to 70 hertz. Okay. Then RMS value of resultant voltage is VRMS
Vm by root 2.
Vm by root 2. This you should find out. 15.84.
$15.810.
Okay, 15.81. Okay. What about roll number 16? Did you got? Pragati,
Yes, sir.
did you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Roll number 23.
Yes, sir.
Did you
Yes,
got
sir.
the answer?
Yes, sir.
Roll number 24. Roll number 24. Roll number 5.
Yes, sir.
Did you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll move. Now note down this problem. Okay. Have you noted down the problem?
Yes, sir.
Here,
Yes, sir.
difference is that here we are subtracting this one vectors. Okay. Earlier we used to add all those things. So for addition, law of parallelogram, all those things we used to have. But what to do? How to subtract the currents? Okay, I1 and I2. Suppose two currents are in opposite direction, you are supposed to subtract that one. How to do that one? Okay. So now we know that there's no such rules are there like parallelogram and all that for subtraction of vectors. Okay. Now what the I1, suppose this is I1, okay, minus I2. Okay. Now what I will do, I1, okay, plus of minus I2, I will do. Okay. So this is a phasor. This is all phasor vector. Okay. This is all phasor. So now plus I can add both this one. Then plus of minus I2. How to get minus I2? Suppose, okay, this is 4 quadrant. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is y dash. This is x dash. Okay. Now your vector is I is here. I2 is here. Okay. Now I want minus I2. What I have to do? This vector I have to cancel. I have to draw in the opposite direction. 180 phase shift. This becomes minus I2. Then you can add with I1. You can add with I1. Now addition can be done in the similar way as in the previous problems. Okay. This is the difference.
Yes, sir.
That is the difference. What minus is there, that you have to project 180 degree in the opposite direction. Then you have to add that one. Then finally it will give the result I1 minus I2. This is the simplest. Okay. Suppose this is your I3. Okay. Now I want minus I3. I have to project in the exactly opposite 180 degree. This is minus I3.
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant, minus I3. Okay. This is minus I3. This you have to cancel now. This you have to cancel. Then you have to add I1 plus I3, all those things. Okay. So now here, this I1 is this and I2 is this. You are supposed to do the operation I1 minus I2. This I1, okay. I1 is what? Pi by 6 means 30 degree, na? This is
Sir. Yes, sir.
pi by 6, 30 degree. It is leading. It is leading. Plus is there. And this I2 is minus pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60 degree.
Yes, sir.
It is lagging. Okay.
Yes.
Now I want I1 minus I2. I1 minus I2. Okay. Now what I have done, I have drawn here I1. This is I1 and this is I2. This is I2. 60 degree. I2 is 60 degree, minus is there. That's why it is down. This is plus is there. That's why it is in the up. Now addition is not there. Addition is not there means it could have been added in the previous case like that only. But here I1 minus I2 is there. This is the I2. Okay. This I2 you have to project by 180 degree. You have to project it by 180 degree. Okay. So now this makes an angle 60 degree. If this is 60 here, okay, this angle must be 60. Okay. This 60 means this angle becomes 60. Now you have to cancel this one. This one you have to cancel. You should not consider now. Now this is I2. Okay. Now this is I1. This is I1. This is I1. This and this you have to add. Now summation of I1, 40 cos 30. Okay. Then summation of this I2, you have to bring it along with x-axis. So 20 cos 60. Is it okay? 20 cos. Now if you move like this in the downward direction,
Yes, sir. Cos 60.
cos 60, but it is falling on the minus x-axis. Minus x-axis.
Yes, sir. Minus.
Minus, that's why it is minus here. Okay. So you will get 24.64, this one. And y component, you can see this one I1 I will resolve into y component 40 sin 30. Okay. This one I will resolve into in this one 20 sin 60. It is plus here because it is falling on here plus axis
Above.
above. Okay. Okay, finished? Roll number 1, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
All of you got the answers?
Yes, sir. So we have to find RMS value.
In the problem, okay, RMS value, and you have to represent in standard format, okay?
Okay, sir.
This is maximum value, okay? This is RMS value. And frequency also you are supposed to find out.
So is it frequency is 50 hertz?
Yeah, frequency is 50 hertz. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this finishes your this one, module 1. Okay? And next class we'll start with module 2, that is AC circuits.
Okay, sir.
Already you have studied that is when AC is connected to pure resistance, pure inductance,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
pure capacitance, and RL circuit, RC circuit, RLC circuit in PU2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So same thing we are going to study. Okay? Quite easy this one. All the only derivations are there in that chapter. Okay? The simplest chapter.
Okay, sir.
So in regarding assignment, assignment, you should write in A4 sheet. Okay? So,
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
submission date.
that I will give. Okay? Assignment.
Okay, sir.
Only thing that you can draw the border like this. Okay? If you want. Okay? And you have to use
Okay, sir.
both the pages, front and back, both pages you have to use. Okay? Don't leave
sir.
back page blank. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And in the first page, okay, you write your name, roll number, okay, section, okay, assignment number, all those things in the first page you can write. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
And you can start with second. And don't decorate your assignment. Don't do any makeup to your assignment. Okay? And it should be precise one. Answer should be precise. Right? Define Ohm's law means you should write only definition of Ohm's law. Okay, you go through the question paper for how much marks they are asking. Okay, don't write about his history, Ohm's law, born on this. Okay, he born at this place, he married on this, he died on this. All those things you should not add. Whatever precise things it is required, that only you should write. Okay.
Sir, we can refer your notes, right?
Yeah, notes is sufficient. For theory, what I'm telling, it is sufficient. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That book also I have sent, Rajput is there. To gain extra knowledges and all that, you can refer that one. Okay. Many textbooks are there.
Okay, sir.
When I will give how many days you want for the assignment to be submitted? How many days?
15.
15. Your semester exam will come. 15 means.
Okay, 10.
Other two assignments you have to write. Okay. Total
10,
three.
sir.
10 days it is. See what you take 4 days. Okay, we finish it up. Okay, give your attendance.
Okay, sir.
Give your attendance 1,
Present, sir.
2, 3,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6, 7, 7 is not there. 8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11, 11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir. 12.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18, 19,
Present, sir.
20, 21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
Present, sir.
26,
Present,
27,
sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29, 29, 30.
Present, sir.
Okay. Anything did I left? No.
Sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. You take 4 days time only. Okay. You try to finish the assignment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
যদি দোকান